Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to telling you how to create a page on Facebook. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more related interested videos. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. You can follow this step one by one. So you know Facebook security is very tough in days. So Facebook page, when we make a page on Facebook, there is error occur. So we can solve this problem and create a new page. So get on the Google Chrome screen. After opening the Google Chrome, open your Facebook. Facebook page is reloaded. So wait. Today network issue, and please wait. So, so you can see Facebook page is open. So you can see here the option of see more. Click on this. Please wait. So you can see here the option of pages. Click on their page. After clicking on this, I am already create page for page. I am already create, so click on create new page. Here you can enter your page name and here enter your category. So you can search fan page. So here if you want to add bio, so add bio. Another create page. So please wait for next step. For moving next step, create and page more details. So here you can enter your website if you have another, add location, Gmail, phone number, zip, city, town, zip code. And if you want to add for increase your page health, so you can increase, but I am not interested to add this feature, so I would next add profile picture, add cover picture, add action button. So if you want to add profile picture, add, so click on profile picture and same add cover photo. I'm not interested. I was just making this video for telling you how to create. So click on next. After clicking on next, you can connect your WhatsApp to your page, because most people can connect WhatsApp to your page before when they e-commerce, they running online store like Shopify, Amazon, etc. Click on next, invite friends. Again next, done. Please wait. So you can see your Facebook page is loaded and your Facebook page is created successfully. See, your Facebook page is created successfully. So you can add, so not now, so you can add profile picture, photo picture, and increase your page health. So you can also click on this where there is a network issue, so you can, it is easy to increase your page health and it is easy to edit. So if you like my videos, So kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more related and interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.